Hi everyone, and welcome to part 2 of my video about the Palstar HF-AUTO. So let's go ahead and take a look now that I have greased it up. I added fresh grease through this rod here. It's supposed to be applied with a toothpick every inch. So in other words, a very light dosage of the lithium graphite grease. So in any case, I've got that applied and I've run it through its paces a few times back and forth on the inductor rod there, and looks like everything's going very well. And I also used a Q-tip to clean the inductor very carefully, and I also tried to clean some dust and so forth down underneath the coil. So it wasn't really bad because I have not put very many hours on this yet, even though I've had it for just over a year. But I'll just go ahead and show you again what it looks like when it goes through the coil here. You can see that darker color where the lithium graphite grease combination is, where the roller is going on the bar. Seems to be operating fairly smoothly. It is a mechanical device though, so there is going to be a certain amount of mechanical noise that you hear with something like this, as opposed to something that's relays only, where you hear the relays clicking. And there we go, that's the end. All right. Let's give you one last look of how this looks in here. Pretty cool. I'm thankful to have this. It definitely helps me use my antennas much more easily compared to having to switch out for each band or get an antenna that wouldn't really work for my space here. So I'm very thankful to have this. All right, everyone, this is Jared, AC7WH, Backyard Ham Radio 73.